Fighter jets are expensive, vital to security, and Canada was set to buy 88 F-35s from the US. Then Sweden's Saab made a bold offer: jets, jobs, and a new industry for Canada. Suddenly, the F-35 deal is under review, and the stakes are billions, jobs, and Canada's future. The world is watching to see what Canada will do next. The F-35 is a fifth-generation, stealthy, sensor-packed superjet, America's pride, and the backbone of NATO air power. It's designed for seamless integration with NORAD and scored 95% in Canada's own military evaluation. The F-35 is the heavyweight, stealthy, networked, and built for high-tech warfare against Russia or China. The Gripen, Sweden's challenger, is a nimble, rugged, and cost-effective 4.5-generation fighter. It's not as stealthy, but it's agile, easy to maintain, and can operate from short, rough runways, even highways in winter. The Gripen is built for practicality, quick turnaround, minimal crew, and resilience in harsh conditions. For Canada's vast Arctic and remote regions, that's a big selling point. The F-35 is about being invisible and dominant. The Gripen is about being smart, efficient, and always ready. The debate is about two philosophies: ultimate tech versus rugged reliability. One is the king of the ring, the other a clever underdog. Canada must choose high-end stealth or practical resilience. The answer will shape its air force for decades. The stakes couldn't be higher. Saab's offer is about more than planes. It's about building an industry. They promise over 12,000 high-quality Canadian jobs, not just assembly lines, but careers in engineering and tech. The plan: make Canada a North American hub for Gripen and GlobalEye production, in partnership with Bombardier. Canadian workers would build these advanced jets and surveillance planes on home soil. The deal includes turning Canada into an export hub, with potential orders for Ukraine and other countries. This isn't just buying jets, it's investing in a future where Canada exports cutting-edge aerospace tech. Billions that would go to the US for F-35s would instead fuel Canadian factories and innovation. Saab's vision: Canadian-made aircraft flying worldwide, creating a sustainable industry for decades. The industrial benefits are why the offer is so compelling. It's about economic sovereignty and building a self-reliant aerospace sector. Instead of just being a customer, Canada could become a global player. The promised jobs, exports, and a stronger economy. It's a rare chance to reshape the nation's industrial future. That's why Ottawa is taking the Swedes seriously. Canada's US partnership is vital, but relying on one ally has risks. The Gripen deal is a push for independence. Saab offers full tech transfer and Canadian jobs, while the F-35 keeps control in US hands. For Canada, it's about sovereignty, not just jets. The choice: deeper US ties or a new path. The Swedish offer has split Canada: public enthusiasm versus military caution. Polls show 43% of Canadians back the Gripen, with many others wanting a mixed fleet. The promise of jobs and a made-in-Canada solution is hugely appealing. People see economic growth, high-tech careers, and a chance to export Canadian-built jets. It feels like a win-win: capable fighters and a booming industry. But military leaders are wary. They see the Gripen as outdated in a world of stealth warfare. The F-35's advanced tech is seen as essential for survival and alliance operations. Experts warn the Gripen scored poorly in Canada's own evaluation, especially for defending North America. They argue the F-35 is built for tomorrow's wars, the Gripen for today's patrols. There are fears about the cost and complexity of a mixed fleet and about jeopardizing NORAD ties. The clash: public hopes for prosperity versus military fears for security. Canada must balance both as it decides. The core question: what kind of fighter does Canada actually need? The F-35 is built for high-tech, global conflict, with stealth and data fusion for major wars. Supporters say Canada must match US and NATO allies using the best tech for joint defense. The F-35 is the quarterback of the sky, essential for NORAD and future threats. Critics argue Canada's main mission is sovereignty patrol, covering vast, cold territory, not fighting superpowers. The Gripen is reliable, affordable, and built for harsh conditions, perfect for Arctic patrols and dispersed operations. Its costs are lower, meaning more flying, better training, and a visible presence. For most missions, intercepting bombers patrolling coasts, the Gripen is more than enough. The debate: pay double for F-35 stealth, or get more Gripens for daily needs. It's quality versus quantity, high-end tech versus practical utility. The answer depends on Canada's vision of its future threats. Is it about preparing for the worst-case scenario, or maximizing day-to-day capability? The choice will define the Air Force for a generation. It's a gamble either way. This is more than a military purchase. It's a defining moment for Canada. The F-35 path means deeper US integration, top-tier tech, and military certainty. The Gripen path means economic sovereignty, jobs, and a new industrial future. One choice is safe and conventional, the other bold and independent. The government faces a tough call: please the military and Washington, or bet on Canadian industry and risk alliance friction. Billions are at stake, money that could go to jets, or to schools and hospitals. The decision will shape Canada's global role and its relationship with the US for decades. It's about more than planes. It's about identity, ambition, and independence. The world is watching as Canada stands at this crossroads. Will it double down on old alliances or chart a new course? The answer will echo for a generation. The stakes: security, prosperity, and national pride. The choice is Canada's to make, and the clock is ticking.